Hey everybody, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. Today I'm back on the cheap XJ project. I started trimming away at the quarter there. I don't even know what this thing is. When you do something like this, like, go slowly. I was already aware of this, but this is the inner wheel well, and so I'm detached from the actual structure now, but that's okay because I'm just gonna go in there and patch that up, and that'll be a whole video by itself. Right now I'm just trying to chew away at some of this and see what I'm dealing with. This thing right here, other than being full of dirt, I don't exactly know what it is. I don't know, some kind of skid plate for the filler neck or something. So that's the thing. Life always gives you lemons and lemonades and whatever. So I got this little discombobulated bit of wire here. I'm going to test it out and see if I actually have 12 volts. It looks like they replaced the sockets, and then maybe they couldn't get it to work or something. So I'll test that out and actually fix that correctly, because these scotch locks and stuff are no fun. So that was a negative. But a plus was I was climbing around underneath and I noticed I have a 2-inch block, and I went around up front and I noticed there's a 2-inch spacer. So the thing already has a budget boost style lift on it, which is cool. So I'll just probably throw a new set of shocks at it. But so that's good. But when I was under there, I also noticed, and I should have noticed this during my inspection, but I didn't. They always get you on something. There's no back brakes. The wheel cylinders aren't even there. I don't know what I'm going to do about that. If I'm going to go to a disc or swap a whole new rear end, or we'll see. I guess the Liberty has a disc brake 8 1/4. That's a bolt-in, so I might do that because I can get it out of the U-pull for nothing. So everything's always a mixed bag, but when you do stuff like this, you know what you're getting into, right? Like, I didn't expect to be daily driving this thing until December, so that's good. Since it's part of my plan to not drive it for a month or so. But yeah, you see it starting to take shape here, and I'm still happy with it overall. I expected to throw away the tires. I expected to keep the wheels. It's a give and a take, and a give and a take. It's always something, always something else. So that's really all I have for you. Just a quick update. I'll probably upload this in the middle of the week when things are slow, and leave it at that. So until next time, this is JR, and thanks for watching. And this is Roscoe the Cheap Jeep, and we'll both see you later.